Aravind to lead us with the National Integration Pledge.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. And I am. Proud of. Proud of. East rich. East rich. And varied it is. And varied it is. I shall always. I shall always. Try to be. Try to be. Worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. Teachers. And all elders. And all elders. Respect. Respect. And treat everyone. And treat everyone. With courtesy. With courtesy. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge. I pledge. My devotion. My devotion. In their well-being. In their well-being. And prosperity. And prosperity. Alone lies. Alone lies. My happiness. My happiness.
Who will take us to all the recent new highlights?
I am Sergeant of Grade Jasper, brought you today's news. Sports news. BCCI gonna conduct Champions Trophy finals on 9th March, India versus New Zealand. National news. Education, AI and healthcare at core budget vision, says PM Modi. Thank you.
That will guide us throughout the day. Now let us invite Anirudh to present thought of the day.
Happy morning to everyone. Thought is brought to you by Anirudh of Grade 8 Jasper. Thought. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Thank you.
Our language skills and vocabulary. Now let us invite Sanjay onto the stage to share his new words.
Sanjay of Grade 8 Jasper. Today's word. Analyze. It's a word. It means to examine something. Friends, please spell after me. Analyze. Analyze. N-A-L. Y. S-C. Thank you.
Our knowledge to the test. Now let us invite Srinika to the stage, who will be presenting some challenging general knowledge questions.
Hello everyone. I myself Srinika of Grade 8 Jasper, and today I am here to test your knowledge by asking you some general knowledge questions, including some logical questions too. Question for Grade 6. Which is the only planet that can rotate on its side? I will repeat my question. Which is the only planet that can rotate on its side? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Uranus. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 7. Which is the hardest substance present on this earth? Diamond. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is diamond. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Which state is known as Sugar Bowl of India? I will repeat my question. Which state is known as Sugar Bowl of India? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question for Grade 9. Which is the only monument present in India that can change its color according to the climatical conditions? I will repeat my question. Which is the only monument present in India that can change its color according to the climatical conditions? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Taj Mahal. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Question number 1. If you have it, you want to share it, but when you share it, you don't have it. What is it? I will repeat my question. If you have it, you want to share it, but when you share it, you don't have it. What is it? Sorry, you did not pick any answer, and the answer is secret. Question number 2. The more you take behind, the more you leave behind. What is it? I will repeat my question. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What is it? Sorry, you did not pick right answer, and the answer is footsteps. Question number 3. I have many keys, but which opens no lock. I have much space, but it does not fit any room. What is it? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is keyboard. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a great day.
This is Geetanjali from Grade 8 Jasper, and today I am here to give 3 guides which will give strength and acquire the power of belief. First point, think success, don't think failure. Whenever you face difficult situation, think I will win, not I lose. And when you compete with someone else, think I will win the race or I will win this competition. Never think I can't or I'll never. And when an opportunity appears, think I can do it, never I can't. Let the powerful thought I will succeed dominate your thinking process. Second one, Remind yourself regularly that you are better than you think you are. That means whatever you think yourself is not greater, and there is another talent behind you which is in yourself. Successful people are not Superman, and success does not require super intellect. And success does not based on luck. Luck is like it, success. Success is not based on luck, and successful people are just ordinary people who have developed belief in themselves and succeeded in their life. Third point, believe big. The success is determined by the size of belief. Expect small goals. Expect small goals and think it is a big goal. And you next expect big goals and win big success in your life. Thank you.
in which we can make those around us. Now let us invite Varini onto the stage.
Good morning everyone. I'm Varna of Grade 8 Jasper, and today I'm going to be sharing a short speech on helping others. Let me share a beautiful statement on helping others. Rivers do not drink their own water, trees do not eat their own fruit, the sun does not shine on itself, and the flowers do not spread their fragrance for themselves. Living for others is a rule of nature. We are all born to help each other no matter how difficult it is. Life is good when you're happy, but much better when others are happy because of you. Now, this beautiful statement is written by Pope Francis. Now, if you're helping someone who are in problems, the next time when you're in problems, they also might help you. Here, the karma returns back. Karma is a boomerang which always returns back to you. So, always try to do good for others. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. And I want to conclude my speech with a beautiful quote. Make others happy and you'll end up satisfied.
All
Thank you.
the valuable lessons, inspiring thoughts, and amazing talents we have witnessed. Thank you all for your active participation and enthusiasm. And stay inspired and keep shining. We'll see you at the next assembly. And signing off, Grade 8 Jasper. It's essential to prioritize the health and well-being. Now let us invite Chaitanya to share some of the summer tips to help us beat the summer.
As we are welcoming the summer season, hello everyone. As we are welcoming the summer season, let's not forget about taking care of ourselves. So, the extreme heat and humidity can be unbearable and can even cause severe harms. So, here are some few simple tips and precautions. First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when you're outdoors. Second, check out on others. Check out on others who are needing help like older people. Third, protect your skin. Protect your skin by applying sunscreen which is having good SPF. Here SPF means sun protection factors. And the fourth, take breaks. Take regular breaks in shaded areas to avoid heat exhaustion. And the fifth, last important one, it is stay indoors.
Take risks in your life. If you'll win, you can lead. If you'll lose, you can guide. I repeat my thought. Take risks in your life. If you'll win,